Chemical manufacturers face many challenges, including higher safety demands and increasing regulatory pressure, need to increase productivity while also improving product quality, the need to respond quickly to customer and market demands, and the need to set up robust processes right from the start. So, how can chemical manufacturers overcome these challenges? Weighing solutions from METTLER Toledo help to improve safety, enhance quality, and boost productivity. The brochure, 8 Ways to Ensure Quality and Efficiency for Chemical Manufacturers, provides additional insights and solutions to overcome challenges throughout your production process. Download your copy of the brochure now.